In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a cryptocurrency allotment error in Turbotax Online. Navigating the digital landscape can sometimes be tricky, especially when dealing with cryptocurrency and taxes. If you've encountered an error while managing your cryptocurrency transactions in Turbotax, don't worry. We'll guide you through the process to make these corrections easily. First, let's head over to the Turbotax official site. Ensure you are on the correct page. It's your main hub for managing taxes, including those involving cryptocurrencies. Navigate to the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner, and sign into your account. Make sure you're using your registered credentials to access all the Turbotax features you'll need for this process. Once you're signed in, go directly to the Turbotax home. This is your dashboard where you can view your current tax status and access various tax categories. Here you'll want to locate the federal section, as this is where your cryptocurrency transactions are typically reported. Click on federal to open up more options specific to your personal or business tax requirements. Next, navigate to the wages and income section. This area encompasses various sources of income, including digital currencies. By clicking here, you open the door to detailed income listings that affect your overall tax computations. Within this section, scroll down until you find stocks, cryptocurrency, mutual funds, bonds, other, 1099B. This is where you can make amendments related to digital asset transactions. Now click on the Revisit option. This function allows you to make necessary changes to previously entered data. Revisit is crucial for correcting any allocation errors that might have occurred. Once inside, thoroughly review each entry. Ensure that all transactions are correctly displayed, discrepancies are resolved, and the information aligns with your records. Take your time with this section. It's important to confirm that all details match the transaction records you have from your cryptocurrency, exchanges or wallets. If corrections need to be made, edit the entries with careful attention to detail. Double check aspects like the type of cryptocurrency, transaction dates and amounts transferred. Finally, after making all necessary corrections, ensure you review your tax summary before filing. Simply go to the overview and verify that everything looks correct. Always remember, proper allocation of your digital assets is vital in preventing audit flags and ensuring smooth tax filing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have successfully corrected the cryptocurrency allotment error in Turbotax Online. Remember, precision is key in tax filing, especially when dealing with the volatile world of cryptocurrency. If you ever find yourself unsure, don't hesitate to consult Turbotax's support resources or a tax professional for further guidance. Thanks for watching, and may your digital tax experience be smooth and hassle-free.